Need to get rid of that pesky cough? Get your Wholesale cough syrup from America's first family cough syrup. Creomulsion is proud to have served America since 1920 with our soothing original formula. The packaging may have a new look, but our cough syrup is just as pure as it was a century ago. Both our adult and children formulas offer fast and effective relief from irritation and cough caused by respiratory stress. We take pride in providing unmatched quality other Wholesale cough syrup brands simply cannot match. As we pass our century-long anniversary, we want to thank our customers for making us America's longest-running family cough syrup of choice. Find out for yourself. Visit Creomulsion.com or call 404-566-8896 to learn more about Wholesale cough syrup that truly makes a difference.